Hazrat Abu Zar radiyallahu anhu states that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, I certainly know that last one to enter paradise and the last one to quit hell. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, He is the one who will be presented to Allah Jalla Jalaluhu on the resurrection day. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will say to the angels, display his minor sins to him, keeping the major ones away from him. So his minor sins will be presented to him, and it will be said to him, you did such and such act on such and such a day, and such act on such and such a day. He will reply in the positive and say that he does not feel up to denying these deeds, and he will be afraid of his major sins lest they should be taken into account. It will be said to him, go, you are granted a virtue in exchange for your every sin. He will submit, I have perpetrated many more sins which have not been displayed to me here. Hazrat Abu Zar radiyallahu anhu says that he saw that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam saying it loved revealing even his molars. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 466.